This video shows an early stage of our integration with the IoT controller, the Denko V box attached to the side of the wood. This shows testing with a UI interface, which was later updated to the microservices calls from Commerce Tools. The controller opens and closes relays to lockers on the bottom and motors on the vending coils at the upper portion. This portable autonomous store has QR codes from which a person can walk up to the store, scan the code for a specific product, and the PWA launches that product from which they can purchase, add to cart, or click one button, buy with Apple Pay or Android Pay, depending on the device type that they're using. This is a PWA progressive web app using View Storefront on the back end, and it connects via an IoT controller to the dispensers, which use vending machine coils, or to lockers. So a relay engages the motor to turn the coil for vending style purchases of safety glasses. It can also open lockers, which might contain cleaning supplies or gloves, by going through the same process of opening the PWA for that product, adding it to cart, checking out with the payment, and then engaging the release for the locker door. As prices get updated, these QR codes would actually be electronic shelf labels, which we'll show you in the next video. This is a temporary display using printed QR codes. The lockers could also be used for delivering packages, such as the box stored in the last bottom left locker. This could be a delivery from a marketplace or another e-commerce site. Our electronic shelf labels were custom made based on an Arduino controller and an e-paper display. E-paper is similar to what's in a Amazon Kindle, and it actually requires no electricity to display. Here we only have the cable attached to power the Arduino in the back. So if we take apart the e-paper from the Arduino underneath it, disconnect the power, we can see that it's actually a feather that attaches into this microcontroller, upon which we have some custom Python code, which connects with a microservice from Commerce Tools to receive updated QR codes, product titles, and prices. And here you see that the display continues with the numbers for the price and the title without any electricity applied, even though the Arduino is disconnected. A smartphone scans the QR code on the e-paper display connected to the Arduino, which has the QR code that came from Commerce Tools. And that takes us to the PDP product detail page on the PWA progressive web app View Storefront, which is driven by Commerce Tools on the back end. Here we can add the safety glasses to cart, run through the whole registration process, place the order, and the order will be submitted via the PWA back to the backend Commerce Tools system, which will then send a message out to the IoT controller to open the appropriate locker or spin the appropriate vending machine coil after we place the order and successfully. Here we'll look at the View Storefront PWA front end on top of Commerce Tools. Looking at that same product, the safety glasses, we see the price was $49. We're going to change the price on that product. Now we know the SKU ID there, the product ID, so we'll look it up on the back end of Commerce Tools. Look at the pricing. And we change the price back and forth between $29 or $49.95. And we'll save that into Commerce Tools. So that will be saved on the back end of Commerce Tools, and after publishing, the storefront will show the updated price in the PWA, which is fairly standard. But what would be unique is how the ESL, electronic shelf label, gets updated with the same price. So here we look at that SKU, and we'll notice that it has a hardware ID. So based on that hardware ID, which is associated to the electronic shelf label, the microservices will connect to the Arduino controller and update the price. Power BI was another head that we attached into the portable autonomous PPE store. This interface from Power BI by Microsoft, running on the Azure cloud, enables the store operator to see sales by geography, by brand, by colors, other attributes. It's a very configurable dashboard which pulls data from the Commerce Tools backend and enables business users a visual manner in which they can navigate through the sales of the products.